I'm gonna open this big box that we got long ago. Good afternoon. It's 12 o'clock. He's gonna go get breakfast. Say hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hello. In the end, we have decided to go together because it's already 12. We're going to get groceries. We bought new tarps because the old one broke already. May mga all milk. The breakfast of our choice. Ham and mayo, bread, apple, custard cream, and chocolate cake. Get some money.
On our way to the supermarket. Not too hot today, which is pretty nice. Kind of like this weather.
Supermarket. Side dishes that you can just open and eat. What do you want to drink? It's scary.
It's like the equivalent of the Kool-Aid guy.
I found the Pikachu noodle. Focus. Tamago roll. Tuna roll.
Strange.
Pay. Coffee again.
Look at those guys.
Enjoying the sun.
Sleeping so nicely. Toe beans. So cute. We got to catch up with Flax and Ash, and we got the hard drive so Vlune can transfer the videos for the work video. And we had a bit of a chat. Weather is getting kind of cloudy. Hopefully it won't be raining soon. Let's head on back home.
Covering our bikes
With the new tarp.
with the new tarp because the old one broke and it's gonna rain soon. I'm just gonna open this, but this guy is hungry, so now he's gonna cook. What did you put in there?
The canned chicken, some oil, and rice. Not much going on so far, but it'll be something when I'm done. authentic to run with it.
Ta-da. Fried rice.
Huh?
Fried rice. There we go. Ta-da. I'm gonna open this big box that we got long ago when we went to Tokyo. I don't remember when actually. I actually have one that is like Hermione. I got it from a machine, I think. And then afterwards I found this and they said you have a chance to get the Hogwarts Express, like the train here too. So that's why I ended up bought the whole box. But yeah, we're gonna open this. I actually don't know how am I gonna do this because there's like dotted lines on top. And supposedly it's for people, you know, for the shops to display the box. But we'll see. The struggle is real. Got the plastic out. So apparently it's just one sticker here. I just have to de-virgin it.
Oh, decrease in value.
And open from the top.
Nice.
Ta-da! Oh, okay. So I can make it into, you know, for sale now. Ta-da!
That looks cool.
Great. Look at this. Ta-da!
How many boxes are in it?
12. So supposedly there's dotted lines here too. So you're gonna tear off the front part of this as you display this in the shop. But I'm not gonna do that because I'm going to put it back in eventually. So here we go. So it looks something like this. I finally figured out how to put this in.
Yeah, you're supposed to like shove it in. It's kind of like when you have like a booster pack with cards.
Yeah.
So you pop it up.
So we're gonna have one each and see who get a better character in a way.
Well, it's subjective because like they're all pretty good characters. It's more like
So supposedly they have the, of course, the trio: Harry Potter, Hermione,
and
Ron, Luna, Neville Longbottom, Ginny, Draco Malfoy, Fred and George, Remus Lupin, and Cho Chang and Cedric Diggory.
Oh wow.
So that's the 12 of them. Now we also need to pay attention if we can find the card that's supposed to let us exchange for the Hogwarts Express.
Yes, the front.
1 out of 12.
One
And
front.
the surprise edition can be exchanged through the exchange card found in the regular edition box. The exchange card ratio is 1 to 12. So, see,
No, it's still running.
see if, you know,
Who can find it?
who can find it too. So, which one are you gonna get?
Okay. I'll go for this one over here.
The one in the middle. I was looking at this.
Alright. So we're gonna open all of it?
Yes,
All of it?
all of it.
So really chat. We're so balling.
I kind of don't want to open it from here, so I'm trying to see if there's another way to open it nicely.
Wow, well, just looking at the artwork from the box, it also has like the same like roster for the characters on the side.
Maybe I'll open it from the bottom. Because in case I want to do like shorts, then I can open it from the top again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
So I'm gonna open from the
Okay, you
bottom.
go first. See it?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So it opens from the bottom like this too.
Yeah. Alright,
Oh, I already see the train.
same. Okay, I'm gonna open mine.
Da, 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 da.
Now you see the train first.
So this is the card that comes with it. I think it's all the same.
Yeah. Oh, mine has a Tri-Wizard cup.
Then that means it's Cedric Diggory.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh.
Oh.
No way.
Oh.
No way.
One shot. What? No, wait. This is just. No, you have it.
Oh, come on. I thought it was one shot, one cube.
Yeah.
No, I have.
They have the card.
Oh, spoiler.
Yeah. I have.
So mine is
Cedric.
I have Genie.
And it has a QR code on the back. We're not gonna show it to you guys just because you know. I think it's exclusive to just the users.
Or it's just the
I don't know. I'll go check it out.
lineup later.
Yeah, maybe. Or maybe this is a QR code to activate it, you know?
Okay, so how do we open this so that it's nice?
I'm sure you want to open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well then, I suppose there's no going around it. So, you see this line over here? Maybe just scissor it, love, rather than... So just cut it from the bottom.
Cut it from the bottom. Apple
Oh, the value.
The valley.
Yeah, just up to the third. There you go. Thank you. Okay, I just want to see like how it is. Okay.
Oh, look at her. She's so nice. Hugging a book. I think it's the diary.
And then for me, it's Cedric Diggory.
It is the diary.
Such a handsome looking boy. Good details on the eyes. Nice and smooth kind of finish. But a little bit matte. They don't have a lot of details on the jersey, so it would have been nice if they added details on the back. Like the word like Diggory on the back,
yeah.
and then the jersey number. But yeah, this is the Cedric Diggory doing the Tri-Wizard tournament. Really well done.
Yeah. He's nice.
Yeah. Oh, but he's standing kind of awkwardly.
No, because it's supposed to be just standing inside the card.
There's a peg on the inside, so I guess it pegs in. Oh. Okay. Then we're gonna look at the card itself. There is a peg hole. A peg.
Let's just follow the
dotted line.
Alright.
I'm not gonna fully
Yeah.
open it yet.
So there's a peg inside.
Yeah. Oh, Ina.
And we're gonna put this in.
Doesn't matter which one's the front, which one's the back. Oh.
There we go. Bye. So she's like standing.
Holding on to it. How does he hold on to it? Just wedge it in. There we go. I just kind of wedge it in. Ta-da!
Man, you have longer hands. I just realized.
Oh. Yeah.
Because like mine is just that close on me.
Okay, yeah. Pretty nice, pretty nice. I like it. I wish it was more standing in the middle. So maybe, yeah, even if I twisted it the other way.
It's still like
It's kind of lopsided to one
because
side.
it's not in the middle of the foot. It's like on one foot only, if you can see. Yeah.
But still, this is really well done. The wheels itself, it rolls as well.
Oh, he's wearing Spankies.
Oh. Wow.
She's wearing Spankies.
Alright, so that's Cedric Diggory and
Ginny.
Should we link them up together?
So we can like actually link them up with the whole kit.
Yeah. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright.
Okay, let's put all the other
The
stuff
plastics
back
here.
in
Yep.
this box.
Yep.
So far,
So that's how we'll be opening it?
yeah,
All
two
right.
at a time.
2 at a time. Okay.
It's not bad.
So let's continue. So now that you guys know how they look and how they open, we're just gonna be fast forwarding it, and then you guys see what we pull out from each of the boxes. Alright.
Ta-da.
Box number 2.
Ta-da.
Mine does not have any accessories in here.
Yeah, me neither. So, are we just gonna look at the card?
Okay, let's
or?
look at the card. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Ta-da.
Oh, I have Draco Malfoy.
I have Hermione Granger.
Oh wow,
Aha.
the ship.
The ship, yeah. some people ship
Draco and
Draco and Hermione
Hermione.
together.
which is such a weird combination if you ask me.
Well, you know, there's a lot of stories where the opposite side
Opposites attract, yeah.
ended up falling for each other.
I don't know. Draco doesn't seem like a really good guy for her.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the Draco Malfoy, and he's got the apple when he's testing out the vanishing cabinet
Oh yeah.
with a bite on it. I thought it was like the prophecy, but it's actually not.
I have this already actually. This one is Hermione with the time turner.
Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty
So
cool.
cute.
Alright, let's take them out. Onto the
I like Hermione's mouth. It's cat-like.
I like Draco Malfoy's face over here. He's got a bit of a smug face,
And block my
Like,
face.
looking down on, like, you know, mudbloods. Very condescending. Very condescending.
How dare you touch me like that?
You filthy nut. Okay, I'm gonna link them up. Get hitched. Yeah, this is a really good collection for any Harry Potter fan. Where did we get this again? In Akihabara, right?
Yeah.
In the Yellow Submarine?
Yeah, when we went to Tokyo.
In Akiba Radio or something.
Ta-da! This one is...
Box number 3.
Oh, this time the doll is on.
Doll comes out first. Oh, I have my...
I have a plant on the side.
Oh,
Then
I know
that
what
means
that is.
it's Neville not Longbottom.
Mine doesn't have one. So, random guy.
Let's
Show
the
who you
card.
are. You are
Ta-da.
Cho Chang.
Neville Longbottom.
Alright. I think I should move Draco Malfoy a little bit so he can be together with his boyfriend.
Boyfriend. No boyfriend.
I wonder what Nanake. What accessory she is holding.
Haha. Why is it always me?
Alright.
Oh sheesh. I need to.
Oh, cute!
I need to.
I like her
open
face
both
here.
sides.
She's got a really nice detail on her face. Again, the twinkle in that eye is really well done. And she's holding an owl.
Because they met in the owl.
Owl, yes.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Cho Chang! I like her face here.
Neville Longbottom.
Is your hair that short? It feels like it's short. It's
Oh, it's not exactly
not. Oh! Come in.
devalued.
Devalued. Yapay
They're not like, you know, properly portioned. That's why.
Ah.
It's a cute version.
Oh,
Ta-da!
that's it. Insert it to the peg. Get in the peg, Cho Chang. There we go.
Hello?
It doesn't, right?
Yeah.
Ah, I see it.
There's something wrong.
There is a discrepancy with the hole. Get in there, hole.
Yeah, mine. This is like what, the third box?
Yeah.
So that's 6 already. And we still haven't got the the exchange card. Doesn't mean that we don't have it.
Wait. It's not a guarantee.
We are screwed.
So does that mean it's not a guarantee?
I don't know.
Holy crap, man! This hole.
Like, does it mean that it's not guaranteed that each of the 12 would always have one?
Should I clean out the hole?
How?
I don't know. You see like how there's a small smudge of paint in there. Alright, box number 4.
We have still yet to see the
trio.
no the cart that will lead us to the Hogwarts Express.
Nothing here.
Oh. Me have a rabbit.
Who could that be?
Why does it have a rabbit?
I don't know.
I don't think it's focused.
Okay, who did it? Who did I get? Oh!
I
I got dun, 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 Ronald Weasley.
I got George Weasley.
The brothers. Nice. Why is it a rabbit though?
Because he has a hat.
Oh, okay. So you put the rabbit inside.
You know how their shop has a rabbit
Coming out.
coming out? Oh my god, like, you see the package here? Do you see the line? It's on top of the seal, like the heat seal. This heat seal is here. The cut is here. Then that means even if I cut it open here, I still can't get into it.
Yeah.
I have to pull it all the way.
Ah, this Ronald Weasley is pretty
This is
cool.
so badly done. Yes.
I'll wait for you.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. This Ronald
It has
Weasley
a lot of details too.
is really well done. It's got like the deluminator in the hand, and also
I need to
like
cover my face or else.
and then like the the locket on one hand. I'm gonna put it in the car already.
I got a bunny.
Oh, this one.
Can you show the bunny?
Alright.
So cute.
I'm not sure if it's gonna show though. But yeah, look at the rabbit. So cute. Pretty well done. That's a definite
Oh
choking.
shit.
Oh,
We lost a ear already. Look at this. It's band-aid.
he's holy. Okay, I'm gonna pop it in.
He's already holy.
So cute. Okay, let me just pop this in.
Is he gonna be one of the... Oh no. Ta-da!
It's only Cho-Chang.
Cho-Chang is the ass. Is it showing? I don't know.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yay! He's
Nice.
so cute. I didn't know that only Ron has green eyes.
Hey, Soka.
Why is that?
Well, Ginny has
Brown eyes.
brown eyes. So.
Mrs. Weasley.
Mm,
Explain yourselves.
Molly. Molly Weasler.
Oh my god.
Alright. Okay.
But
I'm
this
just
is nice.
Pop that
I
in.
like the details. That, like, whatever they're holding
Hmm.
is actually like relevant to the movies.
Nice. That's box number 4. Pretty cool. Okay, you can roll that in.
Box number 5.
Here we go.
We have still yet to see the cart that would lead us to the Hogwarts Express.
What is it supposed to look like?
I don't know. That's a thing. Oh!
Oh,
Ha
who'd you get?
I got Harry.
Who did I get then? I got Professor Lupin.
I got Harry.
Nice, good pull up. Does he have the card?
He looked drunk.
He does look drunk.
Wow, it comes with the invisibility cloak and also a wand. Only he had a wand.
Amazing.
Nobody else has.
Does it actually have any details on the wand? Like, does it actually look like the wand he uses from year 3 onwards?
Kind of. But not really. They can't do it that fine.
I think it's possible. Oh! Professor Lupin. Hey, he's supposed to be holding on to something. Oh, he's got a wand too. Shoot, I didn't. I missed that. Sorry, guys. There is a wand too. Cause like, look, it's outside the.
Yeah.
Yape. Okay, I missed that one. He's holding on to a wand
tiny.
too. Yeah, super tiny.
Harry Potter.
Yeah, this one is holding on to a piece of chocolate as well.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Harry Potter.
May I have the scissors, please?
Harry Potter.
I just see the tiniest.
No, it's open here. You
Is
opened it.
Oh, okay. I'll just push it out. Come in. Wow. Is it the same detail to it? Like, does it look like a...
No, yours it looks different.
Okay, so
it kind of like looks like the one that they're actually holding. I have a cape.
So you slide it from the bottom.
Look at that. I have a cape.
Here's Superman now.
Oh,
Yeah.
the cape came off.
Professor Remus Lupin.
Ta-da.
Oh, that looks cool.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
It doesn't really stay on.
What do you mean that he looks drunk?
He looks drunk, no.
I like it. So boo boo.
Like the red cheek makes him look drunk.
He's so boo boo.
Cover it.
I'll do it. I'll hold on. Okay. So there we go. That's Harry Potter. Beautiful with that cloak.
I mean, I will do a little close-up later too, but like.
Okay, it does pop off.
Alright, but the train is not with Harry Potter. Then does it mean that we don't? Oh shit! It doesn't mean that we don't have it.
I think it's within the QR code. Like, you actually have to punch in the QR code, and then it's kind of like.
No, but I don't know.
Randomly
We'll see,
get
we'll
it or
see.
not. Okay, so we're just missing
Trill.
Luna Lovegood and, of course, Fred Weasley. So, who gets Fred? Who gets Luna? We'll never know. I'll go for here. Okay. Oh,
What?
that's it.
Oh shit!
That's it. I got it.
There we go.
Okay.
Wow.
Heart.
It really knows how to, make it.
Here we go. This must be it.
Oh shit! There is a number on it.
Yep.
So it looks something like this.
And it's got like a code on it and stuff.
Oh,
And I got Luna Lovegood.
ta-da.
And she got oh my god! Bear. Yo.
Oh, that's so cute.
Yo.
My name is George.
Okay, I'm gonna
I got distracted by the card.
come in. Let me just show this to everybody. This one is Luna Lovegood, guys. Look at the detail on that.
Does it
Really
mean,
cool.
Does it mean that all the cards comes with Luna Lovegood?
Probably. It's just like a random.
Or is it really random?
A really random, I reckon. Oh wow. This is really cool though. Okay.
Haha!
Wow.
Ta-da!
The rocket. Uh-oh.
What? Is she being nasty?
Yeah, sort. No, this one's fine. Okay, I thought it wasn't, because like
So only Cho Chang.
only
has
Cho
problems.
Chang's ass.
Ta-da! Okay.
Nice. Love it. Wow.
That's the close up of each character.
Which one's your favorite?
Actually, Ron looks really good.
I liked I really liked Harry's face here.
Ta-da! One for the thumbnail. We put everything back in, like nothing ever happened before.
Nice.
Just trying to find out how to get the train, but they said we might not be able to get it because I don't have the receipt. Meanwhile, he's cooking the yakisoba. Feel like we've been eating a lot.
Today?
Yeah. Yakisoba.
Did I do a good job?
Close up.
Close enough.
Wide shot. Bonito. Come on, come on. That's a lot.
Good. That's fine. That's fine.
Ta-da!
Yeah.
Itadakimasu.
When you meet temptation and the urge is very strong, give a little whistle. Give a little whistle.
It's the time of the vlog. Time to say goodbye.
See you guys.
And good night.
I'm a bit drowsy from the meds.
Yeah, he just took it. So it's time to sleep. This is work again tomorrow.
Weekend just went by like a blink.
Yeah. It was nice to watch quite a few movies.
Yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next vlog, guys.
Yo!
Bye.
Bye!